Welcome back, friends. I'm so excited you are here. Today we have a fun paper craft for you. I'm going to use a red and blue paper as well as some white vinyl. You can use white paper if you don't have the vinyl. We're going to use 2 paper rolls. These are just ones that we collect over the weeks. We're going to use 2-sided tape, but you can also use a glue stick, and I'm also going to use a little bit of hot glue, and we're also going to use scissors. We're going to use a pencil as well as a ruler, and we're going to be using a hole puncher with the shape of a star. We're going to use some pipe cleaners. Now I have these jumbo ones that I get at Dollar Tree, but you can use regular ones as well. We're going to start with the red paper, and we're just going to mark the length of the toilet paper roll along the long side, and then we're going to trace a line on those marks, and then we're going to cut that. We're going to do the same thing on the blue paper. We're just going to use the one that we already cut, trace that one, and then cut it. Our goal is to cover the toilet paper rolls. If you don't have red or blue paper, you can always paint the rolls. That is definitely an option. I'm going to use hot glue because it just goes a little quicker, but you can also use glue stick, like I said, or double-sided tape. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side just to secure it in place and then cut off the excess. And then I want that to be flush, so I'm just going to add a little more hot glue and then make it nice and flush. I'm going to do the same thing with the red roll. All right, so we're going to grab the white vinyl. Again, I found this one at Dollar Tree, but you can also use regular white vinyl if you have it from somewhere else. I'm going to cut several strips. These are about 1/2 inch thick, give or take. And then I'm going to use the rest, and I'm just going to punch some stars. This is going to be a little bit of a patriotic craft. We're going to start with the strips of white vinyl. We're just going to start adding the white stripes on the red roll, and we're going to do that all the way to the bottom, leaving the same thickness of red in between. I am not going to add the stars on the blue roll, and I'm just going to add them just here and there, just leaving enough space in between them, even if I have some left over. The goal is to have it covered as evenly as possible. And they are looking so cute. All right, so now we're going to move on to creating a cone-like to the top. Now, this is just going to be a little rockets we're going to create. So we're just going to shape each leftover piece of paper, and we're going to secure with hot glue and then cut off the bottom so that it's nice and flat. Once we have it flat, we are going to add it to the top of the red one. So the blue cone is going to go on the red roll, and the red cone is going to go on the blue roll. So I added a little bit of glue on the rim of the toilet paper roll, and then we added the cone. So here we are. We're just going to, again, fold this in the cone shape, secure with hot glue, cut flat the bottom. We're going to add glue to the rim of the toilet paper roll, and then we're going to place it right on top. So cute. All right, we're going to grab a blue, white, and red pipe cleaners. We're going to fold it in half, and then we are going to cut them in half again. So we're going to create fourths. This is because we're creating like a little rocket. So this is going to be little things that are going to be flying from the bottom of it. We're going to alternate the colors, and we're going to have 2 colors of each color. And then we are going to just hot glue them in place. But again, you can use tape also if you'd like. Now we're going to add these skewer sticks to the inside. Now make sure that the pointy part is on the inside so it's not going to prick anybody. I'm going to add hot glue, but again, you can use tape if you'd like. And I'm just going to hold it in place until it hardens. Now you can use these to play. You can use these to add to your floor arrangements. How adorable are these? I love the colors, love how festive they are, and how easy. What do you think of this one? Let me know down in the comments. And I have another video here for you with tons more of fun crafting inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have fun crafting.